Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a bikini body while you're at the beach. Don't stress yourself out before you go on vacation. You don't have to have the perfect body. But what you can do is start taking steps towards your health and fitness while you're at the beach. While this may be obvious, sometimes people don't think about creating an environment of play and exercise while they're on vacation. Vacation shouldn't be all about laying around, drinking alcohol, partying, or just being lazy. What you can do is incorporate a healthy life while you're on vacation. That way when you come back, you've already started some really healthy habits that'll help you in the long run. So for example, some things that you can do on the beach is play games. So some really fun and easy games that you can play while you're at the beach is you can play badminton, you can play beach volleyball, you can play frisbee, or you could throw a football around. So one really cool idea that you guys could try out is try to do a treasure hunt. So if you're coming with a group of people, what you can do is have one person have a treasure. So for example, make it this really pretty seashell. And you can use like all of the beach. You can go up and down the beach, and that one person has to hide the seashell. So you can hide it in any which way, try to make it at least a little bit obvious so that your friends can find it, and then watch your friends try to find the treasure. So while you're doing that, you're creating an environment where you can walk around. So sometimes people run, you know, you get competitive, you're like, I'm gonna find it first, and you start running down the beach. Or you're just looking and searching, and that means that you are walking and being active. So try to get your mind around the fact that you can exercise and make it fun. So if you are lucky enough to have sand dunes at your beach, this is an excellent opportunity to burn tons and tons of calories. So what you can do is start at the base of a dune and sprint as fast as you can up to the top, and then walk your way back down. And do this 5 times each day, and you are already on your way to having a bikini body while you're at the beach. So the beach is a place full of fun activities. You can do all sorts of things, from kayaking, using your upper body muscles, doing this motion. This is you rowing. You can do paddle boarding, so again, the same like upper body workout, doing paddle boarding. Paddle boarding is basically when you have a board and you're standing on it and you're paddling your way through. One of the most obvious things that you can do is swim. You can jump waves, you can swim in the pool, you can swim in the ocean. If you do have eczema, I recommend staying away from the pool and directing your attention towards the ocean. The ocean actually contains many, many good bacteria, and that bacteria will help your skin heal. So lots of healthy bacteria live in the ocean water. The sand itself is full of excellent bacteria, and so that combined will help you heal your eczema, in addition to having the sunlight, which produces vitamin D, which helps your immune system. So a little eczema tip for you guys in this video. Other fun things that you can do is you can fly a kite, you can surf, you can bodyboard, you can boogie board, you can go for a walk. And what you can also do is, if you've noticed on Instagram, @MichelleMills_, I am a huge proponent about lowering our waste in our environment and becoming eco-friendly. So one thing that you can do while you're taking a walk on the beach is pick up trash. So not only is this good for our environment, healthy for our oceans, but also it helps you. So the motion of bending over, picking up, that's gonna work your quads, that's gonna work your back, stretch your back out. As long as you're doing it and you're not picking up very heavy things, you're totally fine. Another thing you can do is do squats every single time you pick something up. So you're just gonna squat down, come back up, pick up trash. Another really fun thing that you can do at the beach is do beach sprints, or take a run on the beach, or play soccer on the beach. So I have this really fond memory of me and my friend. We would always go down to Florida, which is like the sunniest, beachiest state pretty much in all of America, and we brought a soccer ball with us, and we were literally like sprinting down the beach, and we would pass the ball back and forth to each other. We'd weave in and out of people, and it was one of the most fun experiences ever. And you're burning calories, working your muscles, and you're creating a bikini body while you're at the beach. Something a lot of people don't think about is there's an aspect to health and fitness that people don't consider, and that is de-stressing. So you have to figure out what makes you tick. Maybe de-stressing means you bring a journal to the beach and you start writing. You can do yoga. You can read a book while you're on the beach. You can listen to music, and you could even cuddle with your boyfriend or girlfriend in a hammock. So all of these things work to relax your mind and your muscles. And if you're somebody that's really trying to go after goals, if you've ever noticed, when you finally get your mind in a place where you're stress-free, your goals start coming to you. So your muscles can't repair if you never give them time to repair. And I wish you guys the best time at the beach this year. And for those about to experience winter, maybe you can use these tips when summer comes back around. So I will see you guys in my next video, and have fun at the beach creating your beach bodies. Bye!